I thought I'd do this video because I was playing around with a simulator on Edgecam, but not this simulator up here that you go into to do a full collision detection and all that. This is a simulator that you can run from the this sequence and use these sliders down here. All you do, right click at the top, or you can just pick one particular thing like so, but I'm going to do the whole lot, so that's like whizzed right through, and that's because I've got, this is my speed control here, this blue thing that you drag along, so that's it like at its lowest speed, and this one is a multiplier, so the higher that number is, the more to multiply the speed that you get on this one. So I use these sort of tape recorder type things, if anybody knows what a tape recorder is, but that's like, so you can play it backwards like that, you can stop it, play it forwards, rewind, stop, and then if you grab hold to this thing you can sort of move it back and forwards. This is my cat, this is Agnes. Say hello Agnes to everybody. Oh, it's fucking bit me. Never mind. Anyway, the cat's in a bit of a bad mood today, I'm afraid. So you can move this along like that. Manually, sorry, it makes me laugh. But if you want to just do a little section of this, like you could say, let's go to that. So that cutter doing that pocket in the middle there, and all you do is you hold down your shift key, and then you see it go blue, and that's the bit that it's going to sort of magnify on. So when you click the magnifying glass, now when you run it, it's just that bit. I think that's pretty good actually. So that's just that bit. You can even refine it even more. If I hold my shift key again, all I'd get is just that bit. Press my little magnifier thing, and now all I've got is that. So I can really break this down if I need to. And then when I'm sort of sick of that, I just click that, and it just goes back to its original thing of how it works. Now this constant one, when you're running this, it'll use like the feeds and what have you for a cutter. So if you've got a cutter on really high feed, then that'll run pretty fast, and another one on a slower feed. And if you do constant, then it'll always go to constant speed, but you don't want that off if you're doing like 4-axis stuff with 2 turrets going, because you wouldn't see the proper collisions because they wouldn't run at the right sort of balanced speed. So that's what that's for. So just to recap, you've got your slider there, you've got your speed control down here, there, and then this one is like, just makes it go faster and faster. I think the cat might be coming back now, doesn't hate me anymore. So you go up like that, that's really fast, and then that would be that, and it's like multiplying that speed. So I reckon it's quite good. Let's try this. Look, so we go on this profiling thing, just say simulate. So all that's done there is just simulated that one bit there, look. So you can just pick one process, just simulate that, and then if I pick out, I don't know, see what else I've got in it. It's pretty shit, this program, but it's just somewhat, I just generated it automatically quickly, to be honest with you, just to give me a bit of a program. So I didn't really get very excited about what it's going to do. So right click there, click simulate, and that's going to just simulate that one bit. And it's clever, isn't it? Because it's missing the vice, you see. Just let it do that. So I can just see the bits I want to see. And I could say, oh, I only want to see that bit there. Then all I do is hold my shift key, just go like that. And then I've got it. Now press my what's name target thing there. And now when I work it, just get that bit. So if I want to see that cutter approaching, look, let's just bring that round. I want to kind of see it doing its little approach just to that one, so you can see it coming in. So it does have its uses. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed my video, and that's it. Thank you.